Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. Previously, we have seen that the price line on the long-term weekly time frame chart was testing the 50 simple moving average on the weekly time frame. And we have already seen that whenever the price line is testing the 50 simple moving average for the first time after breaking out this 50 simple moving average, it always starts a rally towards the upside. We have seen previous so many rallies, but this time, after hitting at this 50 simple moving average, we are not watching any proper rally, and now we have the weekly closing below this 50 simple moving average. So in today's video, we will try to analyze whether the price action will be moved more down to the next moving average, that is 100 simple moving average, or it will be reverse bullish towards the upside from here. And before starting the analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon, then I've also shared the link in the video's description, because here I am sharing the different trading ideas on the daily basis you will find here. Okay, first of all, let me to show you my previous ideas that I've been sharing with you. And previously we have seen two falling wedge patterns that has been formed. One is on the 4-hourly chart, another one is on the daily time frame. And I also shared another bullish harmonic bat move with you that was formed on the daily time frame chart. Let's analyze this pattern first. And I shared this pattern on 9th of July when I first shared this pattern at the Patreon for my members, and I also shared with you as well. And I told them that from here, the price action can move more down between $31,500 to $30,886 for the completion of the harmonic bullish bat, because all the legs were driven perfectly as required for the bullish bat. Now, after playing the chart, we can see that the price action has completed this final leg of the bullish bat and completely entered the buying zone. And even before this bullish bat, we have seen so many previous harmonic moves the Bitcoin has been forming. Let me show you those moves as well. Like previously, I was expecting this this bullish sharp move, but this leg is not completed, and it is quite invalidated so far. So we should emphasize on the currently bullish bat move. And before this, the price action formed this bullish harmonic cipher pattern on the 18th of June when the market was extremely bearish, and we were also having a 25 simple moving average support on the daily time frame. And I told my members at the Patreon that if this 25 simple moving average will be broken down, then the price action can move between $34,900 to $33,200 for the completion of this bullish harmonic cipher. And we can see that the price action completed this leg here and even moved a little bit more down, but reversed bullish and hit the sell targets. However, this leg was invalidated, but the price action did reverse towards the upside. And before this, I shared another harmonic bullish reversal cipher pattern, and this time the price action completed the cipher on the 6th of June, and at that time the market was extremely bearish. And now, after playing the chart, we can see that the price action, as per the Fibonacci sequence of the bullish cipher, turned bullish, hit the sell targets here, and moved down again and reversed very strong bullish, even rallied up to $41,330. And before this, the price action formed this bullish gauntlet pattern, and even at that time the market was extremely bearish. And as per the Fibonacci sequence, I shared these targets, and after playing the chart, we can see that the price action reversed bullish and even hit the spike beyond this sell zone that was at $41,330. Now, and in the current situation, we can see that the price action has formed this bullish bat pattern on the daily time frame chart. Let's move back to this bat, and it has completely entered the buying zone, and from this buying zone we can expect another harmonic bullish reversal in the immediate short term, because it has formed on the daily time frame chart. So at least we can expect a small short term rally from here. And now, after playing the chart, we can see that as predicted, so far it is going very good as per the Fibonacci sequence of the bat. Now, at the same time, we are also having very good support on the daily time frame chart of this support zone that is starting from $31,000 and going up to $28,800. And we are not having even closing on the daily time frame below $31,000, even though we have the long spikes up to $28,800. But the price action is not getting close below this. But the difference is that previously we were having, whenever the price action was moving close to this zone, then it was getting weaker. The bears were getting weaker there, and we were having the spikes, only hitting the spikes here in this zone. But currently you can see that the price action has moved more down, and a complete body of the candlestick is hitting this very strong support zone that is 31,000 from $31,000 to $28,800, and at the same time the price line is also at the resistance of the big falling wedge that has been formed on the daily time frame. So if the price action will be reverse bullish from this potential reversal zone of harmonic bat pattern, then it can make another attempt to break out. You can see that recently it has been rejected again by this resistance of this falling wedge. This is very strong resistance, and we are also having very strong support as well. So the price line is moving between this support zone and this support, this resistance of the falling wedge. Now let's move to the weekly time frame and let's analyze this 50 simple moving average. Now we can see that currently the candlestick has been closed below this 50 simple moving average. That is not good for the Bitcoin. And the current candlestick, today's candlestick that is started today on the weekly time frame, is open below the 50 simple moving average. That is not good as well. Now let's move back to the previous history of the Bitcoin. Previously we have seen back in 2020 here, when the price action move here at the 50 simple moving average. We can see that this green one is the 50 simple moving average. Let me remove the all other moving averages so it will be easy for you to watch this move. Now we can see that this was the closing, the 50 simple moving average. You can watch the values of the 50 simple moving average here, and the opening price you can watch here, the highest price you can watch here, and the closing price you can watch here. This is the closing price. Now let's move to this candlestick. We can see that this candlestick, when it first time hit the 50 simple moving average, we had the 50 simple moving average weekly at $7,150 approximately, and the candlestick was closed at $6,900. That was below 50 simple moving average. But on the very next candlestick, you can see that was open. You can see that the opening price of the candlestick was $6,900. Here you can watch the opening price was $6,900. That was below the 50 simple moving average, like happening at this time. But after a few candlesticks, the price action reversed bullish towards the upside, and this was approximately 56.16% rally. And after that we had this drop of March 2020. So I consider that this big move was a continuation of this move, because this was an exceptional drop, because all the markets were moving down and the Bitcoin also followed the move of all other markets as well. So it is possible that this time the current candlestick, even though the current candlestick has been opened below this 50 simple moving average, but it can be recovered. So it should be recovered as soon as possible to start a rally towards the upside. However, it never happened in the history of the Bitcoin that after hitting the 50 simple moving average, it has not started a rally, at least a short rally towards the upside, like 50 to 100%. And I have been showing in my so many previous videos. So this time it will be the first time if the price action after breaking down the 50 simple moving average on the weekly time frame will be moved more down. This will be first time happening in the history of the Bitcoin that after first time hitting the 50 simple moving average, it is not starting the rally towards the upside. Let me just show you again. We have seen one example here before March 2020, and before this it happened here. After this bull run of 2017, the price action dropped down, hit the 50 simple moving average, and this was if I place this measurement tool here, then we can see that this was more than 52% rally. And before this, if we move back here, let me show you, yeah, here it was happened back in 2014. After this bull run, the price action dropped here. Let's measure this rally as well. then it was more than 100%. You can see it was more than 100% rally, and then the price action moved towards the downside and broke down this 50 simple moving average. So let's see what will happen in the future. I'm expecting that it can be recovered because we are still having very strong support zone that is starting from $31,000 to $28,800. This is really very strong support zone, and the price action has already done this previously, that after breaking down the 50 simple moving average, we had the closing below the 50 simple moving average and it recovered. So unless this support zone is not broken down on the weekly time frame chart, I'll be looking at the weekly time frame chart. Most of the people are looking on the daily time frame chart, the closing below this zone. I'll be looking for the weekly time frame chart to close below this zone. Then we can consider that the Bitcoin has entered in the bearish trend on the long-term weekly time frame chart as well. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon, then I've also shared the link in the video's description. You can find there. Take care. Goodbye.